Hello everyone, my name is Raj Pagare and I'm from Ecopolis Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, modern topic and rapidly growing topic, big data analytics and privacy preservation. In today's topic, digital works almost everything we do generates data, whether we realize it or not. So understanding how this data is used and how our privacy is protected is extremely important. So throughout this presentation, we will explore what big data is, how it works, and applications, and most importantly, how privacy can be protected while analyzing hug database. So let's begin. Introduction. So we live in a world of full of data. Every second, people post on social media, shop online, use GPS service, and interact with smartphones. Because of this, data is growing at an unbelievable speed. According to some reports, over 328 million terabytes data are created every single day. This this hug amount of data is known as big data, and organize analyze it to make predictions, improve service, and understand user behavior. However, with this massive data collection, privacy issues becomes a serious concern. So the goal is not just to analyze data, but to do it responsibly and securely. Now, big data simply refer to the extremely large and complex data set that cannot be processed using traditional look tools like Excel or normal database. It describes using the famous 5 V's of big data. So let's understand the 5 V's of big data. So first one is volume. Volume refers to the hug size of data, the amount of the data. Like we we talk about every single day we generate 300 to 28 terabytes data. Now second is velocity, the speed at which data is generated. Third one is variety. Data comes in many formats like text, audio, video, sensors. Fourth one is veracity. It means this ensuring that data is accurate and trustworthy or not. And fifth one is value. The useful insights we extract from the data from the raw data is called value. If any of these elements are missing, then data becomes useless. So the 5 V's uh, help us to understand what makes big data truly powerful. Now, next is why privacy matters in big data. With so much data being collected, privacy becomes extremely important. We have seen important examples of data breaches where millions of people's personal details such as power, password, bank details, or even health records were leaked online. Privacy preservation ensures that collected data is not misused, stolen, or accessed by any unauthorized persons. So privacy is not just a technical requirement. It is also an ethical responsibility and sometimes a legal requirement under data protection laws. Now understand the key concept in privacy preservation. To protect privacy, there are some key concepts we must understand. First one is data privacy. Protect protects an individual personal information. It's called data privacy. Anonymization removes identifiable information like name, or read some dataset. Second one is encryption. Convert data into unreadable format i- unless it have a key. Secure sharing. Ensuring data that can be shared safely with proper access control. This concept from the base of privacy protection in big data analytics. Now let's not talk about privacy preservation techniques. How we do privacy in analyze of analyzing big data analytics. There are several advanced techniques used to maintain privacy while still benefiting from analytics, anonymization, and masking. Hide or replace sensitive information. Second one is differential privacy. So add slightly randomness to data to protect individual identity but still allow useful analysis. Homomorphic encryption, a powerful technology that allow data to remain encrypted even while being analyzed. Or fourth one is federated learning. Instead of sending data to a central server, models are trained locally on device and protecting user identity. This technique helps to create a balance between innovation and protection. Now let's talk about the big data architecture with privacy integration. Big data architecture usually includes data collection from device, website, sensors, or applications, storage, storage using contribute storage using contributed storage system like Hadoop or cloud databases. Third one is processing. Processing using tools like Apache Spark or MapReduce. And fourth one is visualization, where results are present throughout data, both dashboard or report. Now let's talk about the applications across the industries. Big data with privacy protection is used in healthcare to predict disease while keeping patient details confidential. Second one is financial. In finance, to detect frauds and secure banking transactions, we use. Third one is in e-commerce. In e-commerce, for personalized product recommendations without exploring private information about the customer. And fourth one is smart city. To analyze traffic pattern, waste management, and energy use while protecting citizens' identity. These real-world applications show how powerful big data can be when we use responsibly. Now discuss the challenge in privacy preservation. Even with advanced methods, several challenges remain. Let's talk about it. So we should balancing privacy and usefulness. If we mask too much, analytics becomes less accurate. And let's talk about the scalability. So protecting privacy across billions of records is difficult. Cost and complexity. Advanced privacy methods require skills and computing powers and legal company. Organizers must navigate GDPR, HIPAA, and letting regulations across jurisdictions. Let's talk about the future scopes of it. The future of big data and privacy looks promising. Artificial intelligence will automatic privacy monitoring. Blockchain will make data sharing secure and transparent. Quantum security will make encryption much stronger and nearly to unbreak. So the future is the combination of big data, AI plus advanced privacy preservation. So let's conclude it. Big data analytics provides powerful insights and help industrial grow, but privacy preservation trust, ensure trust, safety, and ethical use of big data. When both work together, we create a secure and intelligent digital world. Thank you so much for the listening. If you found this useful,